and welcome to the Tiny Dream House project, where we combine innovative design, efficient use of space, and creativity to create a cozy, functional, and sustainable living environment. This project aims to showcase how small spaces can inspire big dreams.
Okay, so now I will explain about our house design. So we use 5 designers websites to create our design house, and you can see there is a floor plan that we make from 2D view. So we create a few rooms such as bedroom, living room, office, kitchen, and also family space. Other than that, we also can see 3D view from front. So we use a few geometrical shapes such as cuboid, cube, and also pyramid for our rooftop. Then we can see the view from side and view from behind. Okay, so now I will explain about our solution problem for this part. So the first calculation, we find the surface area calculation. Surface area for living room, we use the formula width times length. So 4.61 meters times 3.63 meters, we get 16.718 meters square. For surface area for family space, we also use the same formula, width times length. So 5.39 meters times 3.4 meters, so we get 18.294 meters square. For surface area for bedroom, 4.61 meters times 3.74 meters, so we get 17.245 meters square. And for bedroom, 1.98 meters times 1.9 meters, so we get 3.594 meters square. And for office, we use also width times length, 3.37 meters and 1.89 meters, so we get 6.362 meters square. And then for surface area for kitchen, we need to calculate 2 times because we have an L shape and we separate from 2 shapes. So 2.97 meters times 1.56 meters plus 5.37 meters times 1.97 meters, so we get 15.212 meters square. So for the total surface area, we calculate, we plus all of the surface area and we get the total surface area 77.425 meters square. And then that is for meter square. And our calculation for this design house is square feet. So we need to convert meter square to square feet. So we use 77.425 times 10.764. So we get 833.4027 feet.
Explanation and solution for problem 1. It breaks down the total building cost for different parts of a house, such as the living room, family space, bedroom, bathroom, office, and kitchens. Each section includes calculation for the area in square meter, convert to the square feet, and then multiply by a cost per square foot 150 ringgit to find the total cost for each part. First, we calculate the area in square feet. Each room area in square meters is converted to square feet by multiplying by 10.764 as shown. For example, the living room are 16.718 square meters multiplied by 10.764 equal to 179.953 feet. Then we multiply by cost per square foot. The area in square feet is then multiplied by 150 ringgit to get the cost for each room. For example, 179.953 feet multiplied by 150 ringgit equal to 26,992 ringgit and 95 cents. That's the total cost for living room. After that, we do the same calculation for each compartment. Then we will get the cost for each room. For family space, we get 29,537 ringgit and 55 cents. For bedroom, we will get 27,843 ringgit and 75 cents. For bathroom, we get 5,802 ringgit and 90 cents. For office, we get 10,272 ringgit and 50 cents. And lastly, for kitchen, we will get 24,561 ringgit and 30 cents. After all the calculation done, we sum up the cost. The cost for all the rooms are added together to get the total building cost. The slide shows that the total building cost is 125,010 ringgit and 60 cents, which is within the client's budget of 130,000 ringgit.
The area for each type of carpet 1, 2 and 3. The first carpet is Nordic carpet. So the first radius is 150 over 2 and you get 25 cm. The 75 cm we convert to meter and we get it we get 0.75 meter. And to find the area of the carpet, we use the formula A square or A equal to pi r square and substitute the value of pi and the value of radius and you and the area for Nordic carpet is 1.767. The second carpet is Turkish carpet. We use the formula A area equal to half AH. So we substitute the value of A and the H. The A, the value is 2.2 and the H, the value is 1.6. We calculate this area and the answer is 1.72. The area is 1.76 m square. The last carpet is Bohemian carpet. We use the formula A area equal to A multiply B. So we substitute the value of A, which is A, the value is 2 and the B, the value is 2.6 and the multiply we get the answer is 5.2 square meter 5.2 meter square. The counter cost for RM per square. The first carpet is Nordic carpet. The total cost is 4,199 ringgits, and then the 4,199 ringgits we multiply the 1.768 and the answer is 2.2.4 ringgits. The second carpet is Turkish carpet. The total cost is 438.9 ringgit. We divide the 1.76 and the answer is 249.38. The last carpet is Bohemian carpet. The total cost is 444 ringgit and we divide the 5.2. The answer is 85.38 ringgits. The conclusion is that at least two reasons on why we choose to buy that carpet for your house. The first reason is has a large area of carpet, which is area 5.2 meter square, and the cost per meter square is RM 85.38. The second reason is a carpet that is portable and comfortable when placed in a large place such as a living room and bedroom, which is a Bohemian carpet for our house. For problem 2, question 2, we calculate the water tank. Have the 3 types water tank, which is 1, 2, and 3. The first type is we get the radius first, which is the value is radius is 1.607. We divide the half to, which is the answer radius, which is the answer for radius is 0.534. And another level we and another calculation, we calculate the volume of the water tank, the first water tank. We use the formula V equal to pi r square h, which is we substitute the value pi, r, and h, and we get the 6361 meter square. The second type is water tank, which is the radius is 0.75. We divide the 2 and we get the answer for radius water tank type 2 is 0.375 meter. To find the volume for second type water tank, we use the formula V equal to pi r square h. We substitute the value of pi r h and we get the 0.619 meter cube. The last water tank is we find the radius first, which is 0.0.76. We divide the 2 and we get the 0.38 meter. And we use the to find the volume. We use the formula V equal to pi r square h. Then we substitute the value of pi r square h and we get the 0.426 meters cube. The counter cost for 1 ringgit per water liter. The first type is 66 ringgits. The second type for water tank is 619 ringgits, and the last water tank is 426 ringgits. We should make a conclusion and state at least 2 reasons why you choose to buy that water tank for your house. The first reason is we choose the King Kong tank for house. The second reason is has a very large water tank area and is able to fill more water for daily use. The third reason is has a warranty for 10 years and a reasonable price for a house.
In conclusion, for the first problem, we have made a tiny house with an area of 722.37 square feet, which costs Rm100 8,355.50. The price of the house we built does not exceed the price set by the client, which is Rm130. With a price of Rm100 8,355.50, the client will get a house that has 1 bedroom with an area of 189.77 square feet. Next up, our house is also equipped with a kitchen and bathroom with an area of 283.41 square feet. In addition, our house also has a living room with an area of 249.19 square feet.